really think that when you start a business, that should be something you look at, is when do you get to profitability under your model? And if you're not getting there quick enough, how do you get there? And what kinds of things can you do? But you really need to constantly be on the lookout for how can you do things better and what does need to be done better. And if technology is being presented to you, is it better for me to make this switch? I mean, is it going to help us in the long run, either in profitability or visibility or user experience, but some reason to use the technology that's beneficial, not just because it's there.
So how did that business model evolve? The digital marketing side of things and helping others, build their brand awareness and do their marketing online. How did you come up with that model after you sold your original venture?
It was the marketing component of it was one of the things I really liked, as I said, and the education component involved with that. So when I sold the company, I had a 5-year non-compete, and I knew I wanted to do marketing, and I knew I had a good basic understanding of profitability, and armed with those two things, I was feeling fairly full of myself. I got I think it was you're not going to believe this, but it happened, a 5-page, full-page spread in Fortune Small Business because I was using a virtual model, which right today everyone uses, but this was 22 years ago.
Yeah.
And I was using my virtual model. As I said, I started out in technology, so I understood it. I really didn't want to have an office and a staff in an office anymore. I had done that. And I really wanted to keep working. And so I felt like I could find people that were very talented that could work with me. Now, we were using archaic means to do this. I was recording things, so we were mailing the recordings around and people were doing the work and then sending it off. So technology did finally catch up with what we were trying to do.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's episode. Visit the description box for the full episode links. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and to hit the subscribe button to get updated on my latest videos. Until next time.